Now we will see how to convert octal numbers to other number systems, that is decimal, binary and hex number system. First we will see octal to decimal conversion. As we know that for any conversion to decimal number requires positional values or positional weights of corresponding number system. So we require positional weights of octal number systems, which we know that 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2 for integer part and 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2, 8 raised to minus 3 for fractional parts. Thus, decimal equivalent of a given number in octal number system is given by sum of all the digits multiplied by their respective place values or positional weights. So we convert integer and fraction parts separately and then combine. So this can be better understood by one example. So here octal number 137.21, here 8 should be suffix to decimal. So here integer part is 137. So now, so this is octal number. So positional weights of this digit, that is 7, is 8 raised to 0, 3 is 8 raised to 1 and for 1 it is 8 raised to 2. So multiply each digit with their corresponding weights. So 1 into 8 raised to 2, 3 into 8 raised to 1 and 7 into 8 raised to 0. If we solve this, we will get answer 95. 95 is nothing but the decimal equivalent of 137 octal. Now for fractional part, that is 0.21, positional weight is now here. For 2 it is 8 raised to minus 1 and 1 is 8 raised to minus 2. So multiply corresponding digits to corresponding weight. So 2 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 8 raised to minus 2. So after calculating we will get 0.265. So combining both results, finally we will get octal equivalent of 137.21 is decimal equivalent of octal number 137.21 is 95.265. So here what we have to remember? We have to remember positional weights of digits from octal point towards left, that is integer part, it is increased 8 raised to minus 3 and for fractional part it is 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2 and likewise. Now we'll see octal to binary. So while in the last session we have converted binary to octal and for that we have made group of 3. So here we have to do exactly the reverse process. Now we have to split or we have to convert each octal into 3-bit binary. So an octal number can be converted into binary equivalent by replacing each octal digit with its 3-bit binary equivalent. Why 3? Because base of octal, that is 8, is third power to the base of binary, that is 2. So then once you have converted each digit to binary, so then we have to remember just 3-bit binary equivalent of basic digits of the octal number system. That is for 0, it is 000, for it is 1, 001, likewise up to 7, it is 111. One example is there, that is find the binary equivalent of 374.26 octal. It is shown by suffix 8. So as we know, each octal digit should be converted to 3-bit binary equivalent. For 3 we have written 011. For 7 111. For 4 100. This is octal point. 2 010. 6 110. So this is actually your answer. That is binary number. Now if you want to omit extreme left and extreme right 0, you can omit it. So final answer will be 374.26. Octal is equal to 11111100.01011 binary. Now octal to hex. So remember, octal has base 8. Hex has base 16. So there are two approaches. We can see two options for conversion of octal to hex. In the first approach, we just convert octal number to binary number, as we have seen previously, where each octal digit is converted to 3-digit binary, and then this binary number is transferred into hex equivalent. How? We have already seen binary to hex conversion, where we have to make group of 4 bits and then it is converted to hex. So approach is octal to binary and binary to hex. And in second option or second approach, convert this octal to decimal. How? Already we have seen octal to decimal. Take positional weights of each octal and then convert to decimal. And then convert this decimal to hex by double method. That is successive division and successive multiplication method. So here what is the approach? Octal to decimal and decimal to hex. So in both options, option 1 is definitely preferred one because it requires less calculations. So with this approach one, we will solve one example. Find hex equivalent of 762.013 octal. So this is octal number. We know octal number has digits between 0 to 7. So now we have to convert this octal to binary, which is actually one example. So 7 is 111, 6 is 110, 2 is 010, 0 is 000, 1 is 001 and 3 is 0110. So we get now octal to binary number. Now we have to make group of 4 and now we have to make binary to hex. So for this we have to make group of 4. So from binary point, make group of 4 towards left and towards right. So these 3 groups are there. If there is a requirement of zeros, so you add zeros to the extreme left and add zeros if required to the extreme right. So here 3 zeros are required and here also 3 zeros are required. So now we have 3 digits for fractional parts and 3 digits for hex, 3 digits for integer part and 3 digits for fractional part. Now just it convert to this binary or this number to hex equivalent. Now this is 0001, obviously it is 1. 1111, it is nothing but F. Even you can calculate here like this: 1, 2, 4 and 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So this is F. Again this is 1, 2. So it is only 2. 0.01244 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 2, 4, 8. So it is 8. So this is hex number. Suffix is 16. You can write H also here. So you will get answer hex equivalent of octal number. So we have used first approach, that is octal to binary and then binary to hex. Similarly, we can convert our last number system, that is hexadecimal, to other number system. For hexadecimal, base is 16, decimal base is 10. Now already we know that to convert to any number to decimal number system, place value or positional weight plays important role. So in case of hexadecimal, positional weights are 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1 and so on for integer part, and 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2, 16 raised to minus 3 for fractional parts. So decimal equivalent of a given number in hexadecimal number system is given by sum of all digits multiplied by their respective place values or positional values or weightage, what anything you can say. Here also we convert integer and fractional parts separately, and then finally we will combine both. This can be well understood by one example, that is convert hex 1E0.2a to the decimal. See, hex number which contains both alphabets and numerals. So we should know the positional values or place values. So this is hex point in fractional part and integer part. Place values are for 0 16 raised to 0, for E 16 raised to 1, and for 1 16 raised to 2. For fractional part for 2 it is 16 raised to minus 1 and 16 raised to minus 2. So write like multiply each digit with its corresponding place value. So 1 into 16 raised to 2 plus E means what? 14. 14 into 16 raised to 1 plus 0 into 16 raised to 0. So if you simplify this, you will get 480. For fractional part, 2a is there. So 2 into 16 raised to minus 1 plus a means what? 10. 10 into 16 raised to minus 2. So it is 0.164. By adding both, we will get answer 480.164 decimal. So for converting hexadecimal to decimal, place values play important role. We should remember place values of number system. Now hexadecimal to binary. So already we know hex number is formed with 4-digit binary number. So any hexadecimal number can be converted into its binary equivalent by replacing each hex digit with its 4-bit binary equivalent. Hex base is 16, binary base is 2. So hex base is to the 4th power of binary. So we take 4-bit equivalent because the base of the hex system is 16 and its 4th power of base of binary number system. So we have to then remember only 4-bit binary equivalent of basic digits of hexadecimal number system. That is, for example, for 0 hex 0 0 0 0. For 10, that is A 1 0 1 0. For F it is 1 1 1 1, and likewise. This can be well elaborated or well understood by one example. So convert this hex number 17E.F6 to binary. So hex number is given. It should be each digit is converted to equivalent 4-bit binary. 1 7 is 0111, E 1110, F that is 111, and 6 is 0110. So this is actually the final answer. So you can delete extreme left and extreme right zeros, as it will not change the value of answer. So 17E.F6 hex is equal to 10.111.111.1011 binary. Now hexadecimal to octal. Again, there are two approaches or two methods which are the combination of previous methods to get hex to octal. One approach is that convert hex number is into binary, just we have seen, and then convert binary to octal. Already we have seen how to convert binary to octal. Make a group of 3. And in second approach, convert hex to decimal by using positional weights, and then convert decimal to octal by double type successive division and successive multiplication. Here, obviously, in first method, we have to convert hex to binary and then binary to octal, which is very with less calculation and much better than approach and convenient and straightforward. So find the octal equivalent of 2f.c4 hex or 16. So 16 indicates it is a hex number. You can write H also here. So for this, just first convert hex to binary. So 0010, 1111. C is nothing but 12, that is 8 plus 4, 1100, and 4 is 0110 binary. Now this is your binary number. Now make group of 3 from binary point. So this is 111 and 101. Here 110, 001. If necessary, add zeros, but here there is no need. Now convert this binary to directly octal equivalent. So 1, 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 2 and 4, that is 7. 1, 2, 4, that is 6 and 1. So it is 57.61 octal number. So your hex number is converted to octal number. Thus we have seen how hex number is converted to remaining 3 number system, that is decimal number system, then binary number system and octal number system. In this way, we can convert any number system to another number system. For that, few things we have to remember, that is positional values, then how to divide, that is successive division method, successive multiplication method, how to make group of 4, how to make group of 3, how to convert this group of 3 into octal, how to convert group of 4 into hex, or how to split hex number to group of 4, how to split octal number to group of 3 binary bits. Then you can convert any number system to any number system, other number system easily. Thank you.